How to recover your Gmail password even if you don't have access to your recovery email or phone number in 2024. We've all been there, forgetting our passwords and not having the recovery options available. But don't worry, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Google account recovery page by typing accounts.google.com slash sign in slash recovery in the address bar. Now, enter the Gmail address you want to recover and click on Next. Since we don't have the access to the recovery email or phone number, click on Try Another Way at the bottom. Now, since we don't have access to the email or phone number, click on Another Way. Now Google might ask you some security questions to verify your identity. Answer them to the best of your knowledge. If you see an option to get a verification code, select it. Google will attempt to send a Google code to your registered devices. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This might include entering a code sent to another device you signed in or answering additional security questions. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to recover your Gmail password without a recovery email or phone number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.